This is the installation procedure for the Seal-A-Core slab sealing system. Cut a 12-inch length of PVC or ABS pipe. This will be used as the suction pipe sealed into the suction point. A 5-inch hole is cored into the concrete slab. The thickness of the slab is measured to determine the Seal-A-Core sleeve placements on the pipe. There will be 2 marks on the suction pipe. One mark will be 2 inches up from the bottom of the pipe, and the other will be the thickness of the slab plus the 2 inches. If the slab was 4 inches thick, there would be a mark at 2 inches and at 6 inches. When installing the Seal-A-Core sleeves onto the pipe, make sure that the shiny side of the sleeves face away from each other. The matte side of the Seal-A-Core sleeves will have better adhesion to the spray foam. The bottom Seal-A-Core sleeve is slid onto the pipe and situated at the 2-inch mark from the bottom of the suction pipe. The suction pipe is placed into the core, pushing it down to where the 6-inch mark is level with the top of the slab. Make sure the bottom sleeve does not ride up the pipe or drop below the bottom of the slab. Slide the top Seal-A-Core sleeve onto the pipe but not down into the core to leave room for the spray foam. Use a spray bottle to apply a light mist of water to the area around the pipe inside the core to help activate the spray foam. Apply the spray foam around the pipe, keeping it at least 1/2 inch below the top of the slab to make room for the top Seal-A-Core sleeve. Quickly slide the Seal-A-Core sleeve into the core, keeping it just above the slab. Place the weights over the sleeve and press down to the slab. The weights are larger than the core, so when they're pushed down, they'll be level with the slab. As the spray foam expands, it will push the bottom sleeve down the 2 inches of pipe into the suction point. The weights will prevent the expanding spray foam from pushing the top sleeve up above the slab. After 10 to 15 minutes, the spray foam will have cured and the weights can be removed. The result is a professionally finished look with the spray foam creating an airtight seal that's strong enough to withstand up to 75 pounds of vertical thrust. The unique design of the weights will allow the same finished look for a lateral foundation core to be sealed with the Seal-A-Core system without the weights falling off the pipe.